Well, welcome back to the channel, which goes by the name of Hajways. I'm walking back home, but I've decided to do another bonus video here in Madrid, and we're heading to the town, one of the biggest train stations, which is Atocha, and I'm right here by one of the most famous museums, which is the Reina Sofia, which is actually named after the Queen, not the present one, but the previous one. So I just decided, look, I still have got a bit more of a battery, so I'm just gonna use it up. It's not much, so we might get disconnected anytime, and then it's going to be noisy here, so I might keep quiet because it's there's a lot of traffic around here, because this street right in front of us is one of the busiest in town. So that's the highway which goes underneath there and will lead you to Valencia and Barcelona from Madrid. You can see it from there. Beautiful evening and a beautiful sunset here in Madrid. So this is the museum, the front side of the Reina Sofia. I wish I could have crossed to the other side, because then you could have like a better view of the museum. But anyways, you can say you've seen one of the best museums here, apart from the other one. This area here actually is famously known as the Art Triangle, and it hosts, like I mentioned in one of the videos that I did here in Madrid. If you haven't watched it, please do go and give it a look. We have the Prado Museum, we have the Reina Sofia, and then we have the Thyssen-Bornemisza, which will be up that street over there. But we're not going there because we did cover that area fully. So I'm going to head to the opposite direction so that I can show you a different side of Madrid. And yes, this here will be the entrance to the majestic Reina Sofia Museum. So this is the old wing, and this here would be the new building that was commissioned a while ago now. So it's not quite new, but yeah, it is the new building that hosts the Reina Sofia Museum. Yeah, you can see it's the end of the day now, so there's quite some traffic here. People are heading home. So over here we have the typical bus stops that we have in this city, and I would love to see these ones in Manchester, because as I said in one of my previous, not very old videos, actually very recent, it rains a lot in Manchester, and it would be nice to have shelters in, where people can shelter from the rains when they're waiting for the buses. Right, let's cross now. And I think that street over here is called Paseo de las Delicias. If I'm not mistaken, it's been a while. It's been a while. winter is gone now, so the city looks beautiful. So Madrid is a beautiful city, and every time you come here, you can't get enough of it. You really want to come back to venture its streets, shops, eateries, and everything. And you can see there's plenty of them everywhere, from the town center all the way down here. So we've left the town center, which is about, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes walk from here. And I don't know if they still have, well, that sound was not good from that motorbike, but anyways, it's working. Oh, they've changed it just a bit though. So if you want to take a taxi, you will have to come down here. So there's an entrance to the train station. So this is the central train station here in Madrid. It's called Puerta de Atocha. You can see all the taxis that are lined up here because all the trains come out from or leave the city from this area. And this is an old station. It's been here for centuries and it's very well kept. They keep on top of it. Here is where you get actually the bullet trains that go across the country. And I do remember there was an entrance to the train station from here, so I'm going to try and find it. You can see these walks going on. Obviously, as usual, trying to renovate the train station just to make sure that it's in a good condition. Oh, my arm's tired now, so the camera is probably a bit unstable, but yeah, over and above, it's a beautiful, beautiful city. So I'm going to try and walk through here because there's an entrance, unless it's closed. No, it isn't. And this is what greets us here at the train station. Look at that. Beautiful. And then they have this garden here inside the train station, and that will be your roofing up there. Quite an impressive engineering work that was done in this station back in the days. Wow, so cute. They've got all this eateries here as well. And this monument here, which is called El Monumento de los Viajeros. So that's where you see which trains are departing and which ones are arriving, and all that. And then you have your ticket office over here. And now we are inside the train station. It's massive. It's massive. So if you're leaving the station, then you go towards that end. But then if you're going to catch the trains, you go towards here where we're heading now. Alright, so I'll turn the camera around. just to make sure that nobody gets offended, and I hope you are able to see good images of the train station. But you've got more shops over here, more eateries. Oh, that's a lot of light. And that's where you actually catch the bullet trains if you're going, or say you're going to Barcelona or the likes. I don't know if you can see them. It will be a good sight for you to be able to see the bullet trains, but won't be able to show you from here, but they're right down there. Yeah, so there's pretty much everything here. More nice shops. I wanted to keep quiet because it was noisy out there, but then I decided, you know what, I'll try to continue speaking just in case you can hear me, so I can share what I see on real time. And then if you are catching the regional trains, well, don't go very far away from the like to the outskirts, then you go that way. They call them Cercanias. And then if you want to, if you're traveling and you want to get your tickets to your destinations, then you can buy them from these machines here. And then of course there's a PA station, the PA system that's always announcing all the trains that are coming in and out of this station. So this is actually a very, very important station here in Madrid. It serves the whole country, and it is the biggest train station in the whole country as well. Beautiful. So now I'm going to catch the subway, the metro. They're all interconnected here, and if you want to buy a ticket for the subway, this is where you go. They've got like these day trips, they've got 10 trips that you can buy, which are the most economical, and then because you've got the monthly that you can also buy. So the machine will give you a complete ticket. If it's the one that's monthly, then you can actually recharge it. Even the 10 trips one, you can always top it up every time you use up the 10 trips. And that will be the metro. I have to figure out, I think I have to go to the other side, and I've just missed mine because I can see it from here. Oh wait, I can't find my ticket. Well, I hope to find it. I hope that I've not lost it, because then I'll have to pay for a new one, which would be a shame really. But I should be having it somewhere here. Ah, this is a nightmare, this. Yes, finally I found it. Yep, there we go. So I'll tap it on that machine there, and then gives me a way through. So let me find, there used to be a way through here, but I don't know where they've changed it. Well, they seem to be doing some renovation works here, so they must have locked the whole thing. Bloody hell. Yeah. It's on the other side, so I'll have to find out how I can get. Because I'll have to go all the way around. Hola. Me he equivocado.
Sin problema. Todo recto, a la derecha las escaleras.
Sí.
Subes y para el fondo, ¿vale?
¿Tengo que picar otra vez?
No, arriba,
Sí.
toca el intercomunicador amarillo.
Sí.
Botón verde, que viene de ahí, ¿vale?
Vale, ok.
Detrás de los botones, ¿vale?
Vale, muchas gracias. Por aquí, ¿no?
Sí, allá.
Vale, gracias. All right. So yeah, it's changed because they're doing some works here, and they closed that access to the other side of the train station. So unfortunately, I've missed that train, but hopefully I'll get the next one. Oh yeah, so I'll have to go all the way around here, and yeah, I'll have to go all the way around, and I hope I will be able to get someone who can actually help me. So let's see how. My battery is going to die, but I hope you have enjoyed. If it cuts off, just remember that the channel goes by the name of Hajways, and in case it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos and share them with friends and family. I hope you had a good time with me. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.